Welcome to Innovative Kids Educational Channel.
Sunny.
Sunny.
The sun is shining brightly today.
She put on her sunglasses because it's really sunny.
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 Rainy.
Rainy.
It's a rainy day. Don't forget your raincoat.
We stayed home because the rain wouldn't stop.
Rainy.
Rainy.
Cloudy.
Cloudy.
There are lots of clouds in the sky today.
I hope it doesn't rain. It looks very cloudy.
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 Windy.
Windy.
The wind is strong and blowing the trees around.
It's so windy that my hat flew off.
Windy.
Windy.
Snowy.
Snowy.
Everything is covered in snow. It looks amazing.
We built a snowman on this snowy afternoon.
Snowy.
Snowy.
Thunder.
Thunder.
Loud thunder rumbled through the night.
The children were scared when they heard the thunder.
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 Lightning.
Lightning.
A bolt of lightning lit up the dark sky.
We saw lightning flash during the storm.
Lightning.
Lightning.
Hot.
Hot.
Today is hot and sunny, perfect for a swim.
I need a cold drink because it's really hot outside.
Hot.
Hot.
Cold.
Cold.
I'm wearing a warm coat because it's cold.
Let's stay indoors. The weather is too cold.
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 Warm.
Warm.
The warm air feels nice this morning.
I enjoy warm weather during springtime.
Cool.
Cool.
It feels cool outside, great for a walk.
After the heat, today's cool breeze is refreshing.
Cool.
Cool.
Stormy.
Stormy.
Dark clouds and strong winds make it stormy.
The sea looks rough during this stormy weather.
Stormy.
Stormy.
Foggy.
Foggy.
The road is hard to see because of the fog.
The fog made everything look mysterious.
Foggy.
Foggy.
Hail.
Hail.
Small pieces of ice fell from the sky today.
Hail hit the roof and made a loud noise.
Hail.
Hail.
Frost.
Frost.
I saw frost on the car windows this morning.
The grass sparkled with frost when the sun came up.
Frost.
Frost.
Mist.
Mist.
A light mist covered the ground early today.
The mist gave the trees a dreamy look.
Mist.
Mist.
Humid.
Humid.
It feels sticky and humid today.
My hair always gets frizzy in humid weather.
Humid.
Humid.
Dry.
Dry.
We haven't had rain for days. It's very dry.
I like dry weather after too much rain.
Dry.
Dry.
Drizzle.
Drizzle.
It's just a light drizzle, not heavy rain.
I got a little wet walking in the drizzle.
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 Breezy.
Breezy.
The breeze is gentle and cool this evening.
It's breezy, perfect weather for flying a kite.
Breezy.
Breezy.
Blizzard.
Blizzard.
Heavy snow is falling fast. It's a blizzard.
We stayed inside because of the blizzard.
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 Mild.
Mild.
The weather is mild, not too hot or cold.
We had a mild winter this year.
Mild.
Mild.
Heatwave.
Heatwave.
A heatwave is making the days very hot.
We drank lots of water during the heatwave.
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 Chilly.
Chilly.
It's chilly this evening, you might need a jacket.
The temperature dropped, and it turned chilly.
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 Gale.
Gale.
Strong winds from the sea brought a gale.
It's too dangerous to go outside in this gale.
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 Showers.
Showers.
There are light showers this afternoon.
Rain showers are expected later today.
Showers.
Showers.
Overcast.
Overcast.
The sky is completely overcast today.
It might rain soon. It looks overcast.
Overcast.
Overcast. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.